You good? You ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, buddy.
You did a pro line.
Well, that was easy though.
Pretty easy. Yeah.
But I think it's like straight served up.
Yeah. But you gotta get used to that speed. Like if you hit that before, like dirt marching like that, you know you wouldn't know what kind of speed you need.
When I hit that step, I was like, oh fuck. But
yeah.
That fucking drop is pretty big too.
Yeah.
Yesterday when I was with Derek, he was like, oh yeah, we go down Dwayne Johnson, but the first time you hit that rock drop, just go on the left side or the right side.
Oh, freak that! He kill your momentum, that thing.
Oh, but yeah, just going straight off with no brakes. But I was like, after I hit the drop, I was like, oh, I think it's pretty big, huh?
Yeah. Yeah. Nice. You have to brake check a little bit.
Yeah, I fucking tap brake, and yeah, this thing is pretty small as well for that speed.
Nice.